Okay, so actually Poe came up with the idea of us doing a little fun game now that we know about the CDEs. So Poe says, let's just play copycat. We're gonna do call and response. So find your two black keys. We know Poe, C, D, E. Okay, what's the game? All right, the game is to try to copy exactly what I do. So let's see if we can do it. You create it, Poe. Here we go. C, 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 D. You try. Yes. Oh, that was a good idea, Poe. Okay, he wants to do this. We're going to jump between the C's, between these two black keys and these two black keys. Watch this. C, 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 C. One more time. C, 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 C. Your turn to try. That was a good one, Poe. Okay, let's try. Can we use D now? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so he says we're going to use D and E this time. We're going to do one here and we're going to do one lower. So let's see. We know D's in the middle of the two black keys, so maybe we'll try that. Reminder. Okay, Poe. D is in the middle of the two black keys. Down. D is in the middle of the two black keys. You do that. Then he wants you to do this. D, E, D, D, E. Your turn. Now, oh, that's smart. That's tricky. Watch. He wants us to move to a different group of two black keys. This time we're starting with the E higher. E, D, E, E, D. Can you do it? Okay, Poe, let's give him one that's not too challenging. Fine. Okay, here we go. It's going to go C, D, E, E, D, C. Okay, hopefully you got that one. He's already jumping up to the next octave, and I think he wants to go backwards. E, D, C, C, C. Your turn. Sure, let's jump to the next group of two black keys. Here we go. E, D, C, E. Whoa, that's a good one. Did you get it? Okay, let's do one more right here. Let's stay right here. Start on the D. Why not? D's in the middle. D, D, E, E, C, 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 C. Your turn. D, D, E, E, C, 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 C. Let's just do one more. We're going to jump right back to the middle. Poe, let's make it a good one, but easy to remember. Okay, here we go. C, C, E, E, C, E, C. Okay. C, C, E, E, C, E, C. How did you do?